the distance between your legs, how much to stand, it is changed. Before, when the cricket started, very long back, the point was, it was like this. Sunil Gavaskar was before that, Patodi and all, they used to stand here, go sideways, they used to stand like this. They used to play like this. But the cricket changed. That time, stay the wicket, that was the game. Give me a back. Alright, did you understand? It was sideways. Now it changed. Sachin Tendulkar and all, what happened is, your shoulder length, the bat, your leg should be there. This is what is there. Now, with the current game of being even more faster, it is little bit more than the shoulder length, like this. You understand? Not too wide, this one. If you stand like this, you are not balanced. Go check it. You are not balanced. If you stand like this, you can't move. That's why it is in between. First is what? Parallel legs. Stand at ease. Not like this, not like this. Okay, not this. So it should be parallel legs. Are we clear? First, parallel. Understood? This is understood. Now the same thing I'm going to do this. Leave your bat always in front of you like this. What do you do? Now don't do. Let me finish it. Later you can.
Guys, leave it there only. Leave it there only. Just listen.
You got it? Leave your bat in front of you. Parallel legs. Now both is parallel. Only your front leg take little bit behind. Why? When your pad comes, you should be able to clear the ball. That's where this will not be parallel. It will be here in one line. You mark a guard. Imagine you take a guard and then they take a guard and then mark. Then your foot will go. This toe will touch this line. This is just little bit behind. Till now easy? Standing is easy. Next, two V's. Two V's. Bat is in front of you. You should maintain these two V's. Okay? Like the top hand will close like this. Bottom hand will come. These two fingers should not touch each other. This is how it should be. Most of the mistakes done is like this. This is known as V grip. This is known as O grip. Why like this? Because you play both sides. If you have this place, you can play both half side and leg side. If you do this, you can do leg side more. But half side will be a little bit tough. So what do? Two V's. Hold, V, V, check. You can hold in your bottom hand. Do this. See? V, here. Leave a gap little bit here. See? Come, hold, over. This knuckle is towards this line. Next, bottom hand comes V, very close to your top hand. Here, gap, and hold like this. Can you see this? This is the game. Okay? Stands. Stands right here, here. This is the stance over.